everybody. All right. So this is now day, let's see, 5 of virtual learning. Only 2 more, Thursday and Friday. And then I'm going to see y'all after Thanksgiving break. So exciting. All right. So obviously the video is not there today because I'm in the process of making it. It's going to be up there shortly because you're watching it now. So you'll see. And first and foremost, you do have a warm-up that you have to complete. So go ahead and pause this and click on the warm-up. Or actually, I guess, wait till I'm done explaining, then pause it. So for your warm-up today, what you're going to be doing is I've given you another example TikTok. This one's called Lemons to Lemonade. It's about 4 minutes. You're going to go ahead and play it, watch it, listen to it, and answer the 2 questions. Cinna is the young girl, so just in case you don't know, that's who she is. The questions are, what does Cinna mean when she says lemons into lemonade? So be listening for that. And 2, what is one way you can turn lemons into lemonade? You won't really know what that means until you watch it, so make sure that you watch it. Your answers do need to be in complete sentences, but I only expect 1 sentence for question 1, 1 sentence for question 2. So really, your overall answer for your warm-up to get full credit is only going to be 2 complete sentences, which isn't too bad. So make sure you do that because it is for 10 points. And then once you have completed your warm-up, again, we're working on our Flipgrid script. You should have already started this. Some of you submitted yesterday, and I'm going to tell you what you're going to do today if you've already submitted. If you haven't, you need to finish this today. It is due today, and it is for a grade. Once you've finished, you'll click on the TED Talk commercial script, press it, and you'll be able to see the assignment and submit it here. Then, if you have already finished, or once you submit today and you still have some time, my sister will be the sub in there today, and she's going to send you out 2 students at a time to go and start recording your TED Talk script. So what you'll do is you'll see that I have a link right here below for you. This is not due until Friday by midnight. That is when this is due. So if you're already on this, you're way ahead of the game. So you have a couple of chances to try and make it perfect. What you're going to do is you're going to press Join with Microsoft. And once you press Join with Microsoft, for me, mine automatically pops up with my email, but all you need to do is type in your school email. It's the same username you use to log into Canvas. So I'm going to press mine, but you'll log in using your Canvas email. Oh, mine's not working because it's a teacher one. Your student one will work, I swear. I promise. All right, but once you log in, what's going to happen is it's going to take you to this site right here, and it's going to say Travel TED Talk. And when you scroll down, it's going to press Record a Response. So you'll press Record a Response. You're going to let the microphone be allowed, and you're going to allow your camera so that way people can see you. And it won't let me show my camera right now because I'm actually showing y'all, but you'll press the allow button and then a little record device will pop up. You'll be able to press it and record yourself talking. There's some cool special effects you can use also when you do it. Like you can add emojis, you can add filters. I think you can even add sound effects. You can kind of play around with it, especially for my students who are just now, or who have just finished and are already ahead of the game. Take some time, play around with it, see how you want it to look and what you want to do with it. Make it as creative as you want. I'm also going to be posting a video tomorrow on how to navigate TED Talk. So if you get a little bit confused today, then don't worry. There's going to be more instructions coming tomorrow when we're actually spending the whole day recording. But you can play with it today. Once you move on to writing, you are continuing writing your rough draft. And your rough draft is over your argumentative essay. I went ahead and gave you an extra extension today, so that means that it was going to be due yesterday at midnight. I went ahead and told y'all in the video yesterday that because some people asked me for an extension, I'm giving you all day in writing today to keep working on it. It is due today by midnight. That'll be a total of 6 days in class, almost 6 hours that you've been given in class to work on a 5-paragraph essay. And not only that, but we've been researching and doing a lot of the preloading work. I wrote the introduction with y'all. We used the, the guide with the sentence stems to help y'all. And so it's now time to turn it in. And yes, it is for a grade. It's not going to be a homework grade. I'm only grading you on the 5 paragraphs just to make sure, do you have your introduction? Do you have your 3 reasons with your evidence and your body paragraphs? And do you have your conclusion? And if you've got all those, it's going to be an easy 100. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a rough draft. I went ahead because some students were reaching out to me and telling me that they were a little bit confused on how I wanted it to look. Again, it's a rough draft, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But I did want to go ahead and show you what a completed version would look like. And this is like perfect, everything's great. And so I went ahead and uploaded an argumentative essay that I wrote a couple years ago for college. And it's one that's Batman versus Superman. So some of you might be interested and might actually want to read it all. Don't feel like you have to. Oops, had a lot of things pop up. 1 second. But if you wanted to see an example, here it is. And then you can see my introduction paragraph first, which is my first reason with my evidence. My second reason with my evidence. My third reason with my evidence, and my conclusion. Yours might not be this long, might not have as much evidence, and that's totally fine. I just wanted to show you what it's supposed to look like. 5 paragraphs, easy peasy. Once you're done with your rough draft and you're ready to submit, you can either upload the typed file or you can take a picture using your webcam and submit it where it says rough draft. You'll press the submit button and be able to upload it onto there. And that's all I've got for y'all today. Once you're done, you're done. And I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Let me know if you have any questions.